Hey guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. For this video, we will be baking this rich and tasty butter cake with sugar glaze. To start, we will be combining our dry ingredients, cake flour and baking powder. We will then set this aside while we start making our batter. We will first cream our 250 grams of butter in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. Once creamed, we will then add in our sugar. We will let this whip for about a minute or until it turns into a light yellow color. Next, we will then add in our eggs one at a time. We will also be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract for added flavor. We will allow this to combine for a minute or two until our mixture becomes light and fluffy. Now that our batter has come together, we will then add our dry ingredients into 3 parts alternately with our milk. To avoid overmixing our batter, we will just fold in the last bits of our flour. Once done, we will then add this to our 2 by 9 by 5 inches baking tin with a baking paper at the bottom. You will bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Now for our glaze. You will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk into a cup of powdered sugar. You will also be adding a teaspoon of vanilla for flavoring. You will just start with 2 tablespoons of milk and then just add in half a teaspoon at a time until we get this runny consistency. Now that's done, we will then glaze our cake. If you want drippings, start pouring on the sides of the cake and allow the glaze to drip. Then just pour more glaze on top and coat the entire area with the use of a spatula. And that's it! Here's our butter cake with sugar glaze. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This recipe is definitely a must try, so comment down or tag me on my socials how your butter cake turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again next week. Happy baking!